Okay, question 2 is another Heroes formula question for area of a triangle. I know it's Heroes formula because they're asking for area, and I've got 3 side lengths and no angles. They want my answer answered to the nearest tenth of a unit. So here, I'll write out the formula. Heroes says that the area is equal to S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C, where S is equal to the perimeter of the triangle, side A plus side B plus side C, divided by 2. That's why we use the letter S for semi-perimeter. So here the first thing I'm going to do is calculate S, and since the angles are labeled for me on the triangle, I'll label the side lengths properly with side length lowercase a across from angle A, side length B across from B, and side length C across from C. So A is 38 plus B, which is 17, plus C is 46, all divided by 2, and that'll give me an answer. 38 plus 17 plus 46 equals 101 divided by 2, don't forget that part, is 50.5. So Heroes formula says that the area, I'll write it out again a little neater this time, is S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. If you didn't have these angles labeled, by the way, in Heroes formula, you can put A, B, and C in any order. It's not like A has to be the longest or shortest side that you're working with. So here underneath the formula I'm going to fill in the values. S gets put in 4 times. Same number, 50.5, 4 different times. So 50.5 times 50.5 minus A, which was 38, times 50.5 minus B, which is 17, times 50.5 minus C, which is 46. First thing I've got to do here is simplify what's in each of these 3 brackets. So out front of the bracket stays 50.5 because I'm not ready to multiply yet. And then in that first bracket I've got 50.5 minus 38. That leaves, oops, I did minus negative 38 there, sorry. 50.5 minus 38 gives 12.5 times 50.5 minus 17 gives me 33.5 times 50.5 minus 46, which is 4.5. Now I'm not ready for the square root yet. That's the last step. I'm going to multiply these 4 terms out first. So I've got 50.5 times 12.5 times 33.5 times 4.5. That gives me 95,160.9375. Not ready to round anything yet because that's not my final answer. And to get the final answer, I can leave that number on the screen of my calculator and just hit the square root button, and that gives me 308.48. The question wanted me to round that to the nearest tenth. Here's the tenths place. I look one number to the right. Since that's 5 or above, I'm going to round that to 308.5. And without any units given, I'm just going to write the word units and then squared. Remember, area is always in whatever unit you have squared. So there's my final answer.